Hey guys, it has been such a long time since I've made a video, but today is the day, and I'm going to be showing you how I created this blue mani. So let's get right to it. Alright, so I already cleaned and prepped my natural nails, and now I'm going to be going in with a layer of Sparkle & Co. pH Prep. And this is going to dehydrate the surface of the nail and prepare it for the dip powder application. So now I'm going to be using Revel Nail's Probase Step 1, and I'm also going to be using their powder in the shade Reed. Now Reed is such a cool color. It's a deep blue, but it's also pretty vibrant, which makes it really, really pretty. So I'm going to be applying a thin layer of the Probase, and then I'm just going to dip my finger right into the powder. So for the first layer of my Probase, I like to come right above the little half moon of my nail. That's also known as the lanula. I like to do this because I think it creates a great structure to the nail, and each time that I go in with a new layer, I get a little bit closer to my cuticle area, and this just helps keep clean lines, which I really, really love. And here I'm just going to finish off with my first layer, and after I'm done with my first layer, I'm just going to brush off my nails and remove any excess powder. So now I'm going to be starting my second layer, and with my second layer of Probase, I'm just going to go a little bit closer to my cuticle line than I did before, and this is going to help create that gradual line to my cuticle. So I usually use Revel products a majority of the time. I've only ever tried one other dipping company, and so I'm going to be starting to branch out a little bit and trying different dip brands. So I'm super excited to take you guys along that journey with me. I really love Revel dip because it's just like a hearty dip, and I usually have no problems with it. So I'm excited for this journey to discover some new brands and just branch out a little. Let me know in the comments below some of your favorite dipping brands. I would love to know what you guys are doing and what brands you really love. So as I finish up this second layer, I'm going to repeat the process 2 more times for a total of 4 dips. I like my nails on the thicker side, but you could totally get away with 2 to 3 dips. So now I'm going in with Activator, and this is going to help strengthen and harden the dip. I like to apply this pretty liberally just to make sure all of the dip has soaked up the activator. So after I apply the activator, I like to let that sit on the nail for about 2 minutes so it dries thoroughly. And then I went off camera and I file and buffed my nails for time's sake. Then I took some rubbing alcohol and I just cleansed the nail surface from all dust from the dip. And now I'm just going in with my Revel gel top coat. This is a tack-free gel top coat, and I just love the shine that it gives. So when applying the gel, I like to do a thin coat just so it doesn't run over the edge of the nail onto the skin, because this gel is self-leveling, and so when you do a thin coat, it helps prevent any spilling over. Also, I don't know about you guys, but I just love watching gel go over the top of dip. It like wakens up the color and brings it to life. I don't know, there's just something so satisfying about it. So after I'm done applying the gel top coat, I'm going to cure my nails for 60 seconds under a UV light. And once the nails are fully cured, I'm going to rinse them, and then I'm going to apply coconut oil all over my cuticles to rehydrate my nails. And here are my finished nails. I love how this turned out. The blue is so vibrant, and I just love the overall shine of my nails. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe down below. See you guys next time.